Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my phone N23 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list because we will begin with blocking the number you've got currently saved. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. So just tap on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, which means that again you will not receive calls or messages. Of course you can unblock the number the same way. Tap on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers. However, let me leave it like this because I'd like to check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So right now let's move to the second way of blocking the number. And here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers. They should be under the general section, and here this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can simply tap on add a number and enter it manually, tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be blocking all calls from all unidentified callers. So you can decide on your own whether it is useful or not in your case, and if you want to, you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.